Especially designed for the mobile workforce, AssetTagz makes managing your assets easy. From carrying out on-the-job inspections to pre-planned maintenance, handling issue and return to managing your consumables, AssetTagz can help you get the most out of your assets, saving you time and money, reducing risk and minimizing loss of assets. The key to the system is a robust handheld computer with an inbuilt RFID reader. RFID tags are applied to uniquely identify each asset, allowing you to capture and store all the valuable information you need throughout its life cycle. RFID tags are available in all shapes and sizes and can operate in extreme temperature conditions. They can be attached in a variety of ways, using adhesive, screws, wire, or can even be welded on. RFID tags have a vast read range and can be read through many materials, including resin, dirt, paint, grease and snow. And unlike barcodes, they do not require direct line of sight. RFID-enabled identity cards can also be issued to your staff. To begin, the operator simply logs onto the system with his own unique ID and selects the appropriate task, such as carrying out inspections, picking items for issue, or recording returns. Tagged assets are scanned and instantly identified using the handheld computer. Scanning RFID-enabled identity cards stops items from being issued to unqualified staff and makes staff accountable for what is issued to them, reducing loss and theft. Fully customized screens lead the operator through the task. Information is captured accurately in real time, removing paperwork entirely and eliminating re-keying errors. Recording information such as operator, location, date and status gives you a full audit trail and proof of attendance. Overdue alerts on the handheld and by email act as a further measure to ensure inspections and pre-planned maintenance takes place. When the operator synchronizes the handheld computer, all the information is uploaded and instantly available via the internet to authorized people such as health and safety officers and depot managers. Sophisticated tools allow analysis and reporting to aid management decisions. Managing your assets in real time with AssetTagz ensures that your inspections are up to date. Only equipment that is safe and has been certified for use is in operation. That you utilize your assets to their full potential. AssetTagz can be used by anyone, anywhere in the world. It gives you a robust yet flexible solution that improves accountability, aids compliance and saves you valuable time and money.